Let's look at this question. T is a right angle triangle whose perpendicular sides are A and B and the hypotenuse is C. The minimum possible value of C by A plus C by B is. Okay. If I want the minimum possible value, this C BC plus AC by AB. This is the expression I'm dealing with. Now, in order to find the minimum possible value or the maximum possible value, you would have to look at extreme cases. For a right angle triangle, the extreme cases would be if you had a right angle triangle like this, where the sides are unequal. Say I'm saying, let's take the case of 3, 4, 5 sides are unequal, or the other case would be when the sides are equal. Let me take this as 1, 1, 2. So when the sides are unequal, what is the result that we get? We get BC will be 12. Sorry, BC will not be 12. I'm so sorry. 15 plus 20, so 35. And this would be 35 by 12, which is equal to 2 whole 11 by 12. Okay, which is equal to 2.291 something along these lines. For this triangle, C is root 2, so I get root 2 bracket 2 whole thing divided by 1. So 2 root 2 is 2.828. Of course, this is smaller than this value. Therefore, the minimum possible value of C by A plus C by B is going to be option D, 2 root 2.